Hi everybody, welcome to another tutorial on miRack Dexter. In this tutorial we continue from where we left in the previous video, and we are going to explore the macro controls inside Dexter. So let's click on the plus sign to create an audio channel, and let's bring miRack as a selection for that audio unit. Let's click on miRack, double click to maximize the screen. Let's click in here to open an existing project, and we open the SFM Dexter project which we have created in the previous video. So I'm going to zoom in now to see better the controls like so. So let's start with the master control for voice A. So let's click play. I will click play in a moment, and then we'll show you that you can adjust the pitch octave here for voice A, but you can also do the same for voice B. Remember, we have connected the left and right output of voice A and to our mixer, and also the output for voice B, so you can hear that as well. Okay. In addition to the octave changes, you can make adjustment, coarse adjustment and also fine adjustment, both for voice A and also for voice B. Let's try. I find quite useful to use fine adjustment if you want to create a particular preset, so something like this. The fact that you have opposite setting for fines create that effect almost like a modulation. Okay, next for voice A you have also control for code. So this will allow you to create code for voice A, and I'm going to show you. Click and play and changing the codes. Okay. You can also create an inversion of that code, and the more you click, the more you act on the type of inversion, first and second, third inversion, etc. And you can also set it to have a full inversion as well, where the note that practically changes at the base of that code moves up an octave. So let's click play and try some different inversion. With this particular version you can hear the difference clicking on the full inversion. You can hear that notes are moving to the next octave. And also interestingly, because you have a code, you can also detune voices, which is very interesting. And of course you can do that also in the opposite way. So okay. Next, we're going to look at the macro controls for shape, bright, and feedback. The first one acts on all of the operators and reshape, change the shape for all of them. we have bright, which effectively control the frequency modulation, depth, or the modulators level for all operators again. So let's try. Next we have a button for feedback, which acts on the fourth operator, which is here shown in orange. So to hear these, of course, we need to have the right algorithm and also the operator set. In this case, we have an algorithm which can be chosen for this dial, which operator 4 modulates operator 3, 3 modulates operator 2, and 2, 1. And then the result goes out to the voice A and B. So let's bring up the level a little bit on operator 2, 3, and also 4, so that we can hear the difference when we increase the feedback on operator 4. Okay, perfect. So here in the next section you have the algorithm type of selections. You can change the combination of each operators, which is very interesting. For example, look at this combination. You have operator 2 modulating operator 1 in one vertical line, and then you have operator 4 modulating operator 3, and the output of these two independently goes into A and B. And so you can choose different algorithms based on what you like to produce. So let's try. We have also the selection only for voice A to set all the operators as a low frequency oscillator. And you can hear straight away the effect because the output will be a low frequency, so you will not hear that on voice A left and right channel. But that's maybe something that you want to use for other purposes as well. And of course, let's remove that. Okay, and then you can reset the phase, of course, for all the operators. And here you have the controls for pitch for voice A and voice B. In another video, I'm going to show you how you can use the inputs here, the CV inputs, to control the setting for code inversion, the tune algorithms, feedback, bright, and shape. And again, in a future video, we'll also have a look at how to take the outputs directly from each operators, not only from voice A and B. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.